Good afternoon, teacher and partners. My name is Sandrit Karina Rios Duran. I'm 25 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Ocaña City, department from norte of Santander. My email address is sandritkarina@gmail.com or skriosd@unadvirtual.joedu.com. I'm working in my own business, from fruits and vegetables with my boyfriend to I study bachelor's degree in foreign languages with an emphasis in English. In my free time, I like see videos about psychology, about spirituality, and go out with my friends to eat ice cream. For finish, I love eat fish, ice cream from chocolate, and fruit. My strengths are I can speak about me. For me, it's a little easier read and write in English, and I know phrases and words from daily routine. My weaknesses are I don't understand very good when listening in English, and speak, think, and speak in English is very difficult for me, and the grammar is very difficult for me too. My activities for improve my level in English are I use application Duolingo for practice read, write, listen, and pronunciation. I listen to music in English, and sometimes practice pronunciation with the brothers Monarch in YouTube TV in YouTube. Thank you very much. Goodbye.